I like trains.
Hello everyone. As you can see, we are here at the Covert Road crossing on the CSX Newcastle subdivision. This is the same day that I chased the ore train, caught the B521 in Lowellville, and then saw the SP tunnel motor and other trains in the Newcastle yard. It's been a very up and down day for me. Oh, I also, of course, caught the NS66E in Harmer with the BNSF trailing second. But this is going to be the last train I catch on this day, even though you guys are not seeing all the videos from this day in one day. But yeah, the train's coming right now. This is M332, I think, mixed freight.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost 62.64, main 2, no defects. Axle 3, 5, 6,
CM44. This is M332. And my day's been up and down. Sadly, I did not catch M369 departing Newcastle, and I'm not sure if the SP tunnel motor was dropped off or not. But yeah, this is the last train I'm catching on this day. Hope you enjoy. M332, Avon, Indiana to Cumberland, Maryland. And we got our auto parts boxcar. And DPU. That one gondola looked like it was a fallen flag. This looks like an ex-Conrail. And now I see the intermodals. It's a very, very humid day. But it's been a pretty good one. I mean, I've seen a lot of trains. It hasn't gone exactly as planned as I wished, but hey. Sometimes you get some, sometimes you miss some. And 358 axles for this train, and yeah, there is a defect detector a little bit west of here. This is milepost 60, and 62.64 is the defect detector around River Road. Looks like that's it for 332. He is entering the yard, slowing down. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video, and here from Covert Road crossing on the CSX Newcastle subdivision, this is the Old Man Guy signing off, and everyone watching this video, have a great day.